Hello, good day. So this is a real fast video. I have this on because when I'm leaving out the door, I got to put my mask on, y'all, because I can't be off and on it. I ain't got time to be coming back to the car, you know what I'm saying? But let me hurry up. I'm on my way out the door in a hurry. Show you how fast it is to make a caramel macchiato. When I realized I was out of creamer, right? But I got my vanilla syrup, and I got my almond milk, and I got my coffee, I could still have me a caramel macchiato, because that's how they make a caramel macchiato, guys. So, this morning I'm going to do it with my almond milk, my Kaprese coffee, and the vanilla syrup, and I add agave for sweetness. So, all you do, real fast, I could be out of here in a minute. Ooh, so you pour that in, right? And then what I do is, oh, I'm sorry, I did it wrong, y'all. I did it so wrong. I poured it in a cup. I should have poured it in a measuring cup, right? I did that wrong. That's okay. Put it in a measuring cup. Add my water, because you just want to put a shot of the coffee inside the milk. So I use a measuring cup to half a cup of coffee like this. Stir it up. Then pour my vanilla in the cup at the bottom first. Then add the milk. And this is going to be a cold one because I ain't heat the milk up. So I'll add some milk. And then add the milk, leave room for the coffee, right? And I don't have no whipped cream today, but usually I have whipped cream in my vanilla swirl, guys. So I add coffee. Then I'm going to add a shot. That's what it is. A shot of caramel, of coffee on the top. And that was perfect, the size I did it, right? And then I'm going to add my agave for sweet. You don't need a lot of that. Sweeten it right up. And there you have it, guys. A caramel macchiato, Kaprese CBD infused caramel macchiato coffee on the go. And you spend how much at Starbucks? $5. Well, I buy me a bag for 70 bucks, and I use it for 30 days. And you do the math, it's so cheaper than going to Starbucks, making my caramel macchiatos. And even when I'm out on the go, I have it with me, and I just go in Starbucks and use their ingredients and drink my coffee. You all have a good day, and I will see you on the next video. I am living a Tava lifestyle, guys. Have a great and amazing day. And remember, change your mind, change your life. It's Mindset Monday. It was just Easter, guys. You know, if you're a Christian, that's the resurrection of Jesus. He resurrected. Are you resurrecting your life? Are you resurrecting? You believe Jesus died and came back for you guys, came back for us? You know what I'm saying? Are you living your life, a life of knowing how powerful you are to have and do and become anything that God lives in you? Do you know? Do you know? Do you know? Do you know? Change your mind. Change your life. I love you all. I gotta go. See you in this video. It's Mindset Monday. I am changing minds, bodies, and bank accounts. Okay? Tava lifestyle. Instantly changing lives. Bring the hustle. Helping unify society towards lasting endeavors by rapidly impacting successful endeavors. Entrepreneurs, let's rise. I love you all. Bye-bye.